Welcome back to my channel. These are the 4 products I'll be using for my wash day today. I ended up combining the castor oil and deep conditioner. I'm going to continue to watch my Love Island. Yeah.
Oh, fuck me. Cassie is pissed off about it. And I guess that's what I missed about her, you know, I like it.
Have a little spoon and a kiss in bed with Josh.
Pins.
Anything happened yet?
So we're going to use some pins to keep my Bantu knots intact. This as my leave-in conditioner. And this to keep my edges down. I only got a little bit. This quarantine has been a struggle for getting the products I need, but you know, it is what it is. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, and I'll be using these strips. Ooh, the sunlight is bright. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even. Okay. Anyway, they're strips. They keep my edges down. You'll see how I wrap that up later. So I already detangled and I already showed that, right? So this is why you have to kind of comb again. Because look at that. Like, it's never easy. It's never easy. Y'all, I am not feeling this. This is actually harder than I thought it would be. Fudge. Like, it's going all right, but like, this is not gonna last. It's not. Okay, so I'm done freaking out. The sun is going down, but I think I did fine. Honestly, if this doesn't stick until tomorrow, then I will take them out. So as you can see, I used the wrap that I was mentioning before in the beginning. This is just to preserve edges. Make sure that they are intact when I unravel the wraps. Let's see how this turns out tomorrow.